Did you know that once a California divorce case has been filed and the other party has been served, there are automatic orders in place that affect what both parties can do financially regarding their assets and also what they can do regarding their minor children? Hi, I'm Gerald Maggio, Orange County divorce and family law attorney, and in this video I'm going to explain the importance of the automatic restraining orders that are in place in the beginning of a divorce case and how that affects what you can do regarding your finances and regarding your children. It is very important to understand what these orders are so that you can act accordingly in your divorce case. These orders are family law automatic restraining orders, or for short, ATROs. Let me explain what these orders are. Number one, these orders prevent either party from selling or disposing of property without the other party's consent or knowledge. Number two, these orders prevent the changing of beneficiaries in any life insurance or estate plans. Number three, these orders prevent either party from taking any children of the marriage out of the state of California without the prior written consent of the other party or a court order. What does that mean? That means unless you have an agreement in writing from the other spouse that you want to travel to another state, you have to go to court and request a court order to be able to do that while your divorce is pending. Number four, these orders prevent either party from canceling any medical insurance, life insurance, car insurance, and so on. Number five, these orders prevent either party from transferring assets to a third party, maybe trying to hide it, which is another thing. You can't conceal assets, or getting rid of or selling or disposing in any way of these assets while the divorce is pending. Number six, you must notify the other party of any extraordinary expenses you want to pay for using community property assets, which are assets of the marriage. What does that mean? That means expenses that are not in the normal day-to-day living expenses and so on. There's for something major, you have to get an agreement from the other party. You cannot simply just use money and spend it on whatever you decide you think is important, but is not normal living expenses. One thing that you can use community property money on, or your own separate property money, is money to retain an attorney and to have legal representation. You're certainly allowed to be able to do that. These orders are meant to keep the status quo during the marriage while your divorce is pending until it is finalized with a final judgment. So it's important to also understand you can't change your estate plan, you can't change your will, you can't change any trust, and so on. You need to keep that in place until your divorce is finalized. Violation of these automatic restraining orders can be considered a contempt of a court order and can lead to potential jail time and certainly otherwise sanctions. The bottom line is you want to avoid violating these orders. I want to make it clear that these automatic restraining orders are stated in what's called the summons, which is one of the documents served in a divorce case. It's clearly listed what all those orders are, so it's important that you read them at the beginning of your divorce case, whether you're the one initiating the divorce or the one getting served. If you find yourself going through a divorce or know somebody who will, please follow the directions at the end of this video for how to set up a consultation with our law firm. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video for more informative videos. See you next time.